Stacia Cosner, Students for Sensible Drug Policy. I'm concerned about the unintended consequences of criminalizing these designer drugs by way of placing them in Schedule 1. I'd be interested to hear the panel's thoughts on potential benefits of an approach that would favor regulation and control instead.
Quite frankly, we as researchers have some concerns about the issue because of potential, hazards in terms of being able to study the drugs. So, comments?
I do have. I think, having just read an article on other approaches to regulatory activities, so we can communicate to the public and ask them to behave themselves. That's one way to address the problem. We do that in our society, and we warn them that if they don't behave themselves, that they'll go to the second part of regulation, and that's the command and control. So we command that they don't do it. If they do, then we penalize them, we can imprison them. But there are many other regulatory approaches that can be used to help dissuade this type of problem, and it's self-control, self-regulation. There's market regulation itself. So if people are giving people bad products and they're called out because it's determined analytically, so there are many clever ways that one can actually increase our impact on this problem. And so I personally am intrigued at some of these ideas, and they're examples of success in the European Union and elsewhere when it comes to saying to people, we would recommend that you I don't have a lot of confidence that people are necessarily going to listen very clearly to somebody with 30 years of experience in cannabinoid pharmacology and genuine concern that that's for a moment. So I think we have to address it in many different ways and look at all of those avenues.
Yeah, I think harm reduction is also an issue that probably deserves some attention.